laundry pots. You're gonna get yourself killed. Just don't look, Yuuka. It's okay. Everything will be fine. Meanwhile, the tornado is taking out the roof of Yuka's house. I really don't know what's going on. Like, is someone just like hitting my house with a long metal stick or something? I don't get it. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. But someone's like scraping my roof or something right now. It's probably those gosh darn birds again. Hold on, I'm gonna check out the window. Oh shit.